Not too long ago, using the term open source would cause you to think of incomplete and broken applications. It conjured images of a horrible user interface and rarely used utilities. But today, open source has entered a new renaissance of development and evolution. In some circles, open source development is the norm and not the exception. Commonly available are free open source variations of most major applications, so why even pay for software anymore? Companies like Microsoft, Apple, Adobe, Corel, and Intuit have been making paid software applications for decades, and in some cases have become absolutely the dominant software developer for their category. Money affords engineers to make more frequent and greater sweeping improvements and innovations. Paying customers pressure a company to produce a quality product so that they will be more inclined to purchase the next version. Paid software typically has a level of polish and attention to detail that open source lacks. Open source today translates to transparency, allowing for anyone to review in detail how something works. Most popular open source software is free, but has a passionate following. Developer communities invest their own time to help improve the product they're attached to. What seems like top-secret concepts are now out in the open and must survive public scrutiny. High-priority issues have the potential to be fixed and released quickly. This mix of qualities has the propensity for open source software to be developed with a purity of intent that simply isn't verifiable with protected software. You might be a Photoshop master, and using any other program to edit photos sounds ludicrous. For you, there may not be any other option. Or maybe you're just a casual face swapper and would prefer a free editor like GIMP. Either way, these programs aren't centered around your private information or cybersecurity. As you may notice in subsequent videos, most of the software suggested will be open source in one way or another. This is not a coincidence. It is difficult to place confidence and trust in something if the mechanics of it are not verifiable or the intentions of the producer are questionable. So when it comes to privacy tools and security utilities, open source is often a wise choice.